Eyes helps us a lot with our daily tasks, but most people take them for granted and unknowingly damage them. But there is a secret to sharper vision and lasting eye health that isn't in your glasses prescription, but in your food. While most people think declining eyesight is inevitable with age, the truth is your diet plays a crucial role in maintaining and even improving your vision. Yet, many of us are missing out on the vital nutrients our eyes need to thrive. Are you unknowingly sabotaging your sight with the wrong foods? In today's video, we're uncovering the ultimate list of vision superfoods to naturally boost your sight and protect your eyes for years to come. Welcome to Levitas. Which nutrients are essential for eye health? Your eyes require specific nutrients to function optimally and stay protected from damage. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining clear vision, particularly in low light. Lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants found in the retina, protect against harmful blue light and oxidative stress. Vitamin C and vitamin E combat free radicals, reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Zinc plays a key role in transporting vitamin A from your liver to the retina, enhancing night vision. Lastly, omega-3 fatty acids support the structure of the eye's cell membranes and help prevent dry eyes and inflammation. Did you know that insulin resistance doesn't just affect your metabolism, but can also wreak havoc on your eyes? And when your body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels, it creates a cascade of problems for your vision. Elevated blood sugar can damage the delicate blood vessels in your retina, leading to a condition called diabetic retinopathy, one of the leading causes of blindness worldwide. High blood sugar also contributes to oxidative stress and inflammation, damaging the lens of the eye and increasing the risk of cataracts. Even if you're not diabetic, insulin resistance can subtly impair the circulation in your eyes, reducing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients essential for clear vision. This connection between insulin resistance and eye health underscores the importance of a balanced diet that stabilizes blood sugar. Foods rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants can help improve insulin sensitivity and protect your vision. Regular exercise and avoiding processed sugars are equally crucial for keeping your eyes and overall health in check. How can leafy greens benefit your eyes? Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are some of the best foods you can eat for eye health. These vibrant vegetables are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants concentrated in the macula, the part of the retina responsible for central vision. These compounds act as a natural sunscreen for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light and protecting against macular degeneration and cataracts. Moreover, leafy greens are rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production in the cornea, keeping your eyes strong and resilient. The high levels of vitamin E in some greens also fight free radical damage, further reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. Eating leafy greens regularly can also improve blood flow to your eyes. This is due to their high nitrate content, which helps dilate blood vessels, ensuring your eyes receive plenty of oxygen and nutrients. For maximum benefit, pair your greens with a source of healthy fat, like extra virgin olive oil or avocado, to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin. Can carrots really improve your vision? Carrots have long been associated with better vision, and there's truth to this claim. These crunchy orange vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for producing rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps you see in low light. While carrots alone won't give you superhuman sight, they're a great addition to your diet for maintaining eye health, especially when combined with other nutrient-dense foods. However, remember that a balanced intake of various nutrients is more effective than relying solely on one food for vision support. Can berries support eye function? Berries, like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are small but mighty when it comes to eye health. They're loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which helps maintain the health of your blood vessels, including the tiny capillaries in your retina. Blueberries, in particular, contain anthocyanins, powerful compounds that reduce inflammation, combat oxidative stress, and enhance night vision by improving blood flow to the eyes. Studies suggest that anthocyanins may also slow the progression of glaucoma and cataracts by protecting the lens and retina from damage. Berries are also a natural source of resveratrol, a compound found in their skins that protects against age-related macular degeneration. Their anti-inflammatory properties further support eye health by preventing conditions like dry eye syndrome. Adding a handful of fresh or frozen berries to your daily diet is an easy and delicious way to give your eyes a nutrient boost. Pair them with yogurt, kefir, or salads to enjoy their full benefits. Are eggs beneficial for sight? Eggs are a powerhouse food for eye health. The yolks are particularly rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, the antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful UV and blue light exposure. These compounds are more bioavailable in eggs than in most other sources, meaning your body absorbs them more efficiently. In addition to these antioxidants, eggs provide vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining the health of your cornea and preventing conditions like night blindness. They're also a good source of zinc, which supports the structural integrity of the retina and aids in vitamin A metabolism. What's more, the choline in eggs plays a role in brain health, indirectly supporting the neural pathways that connect your eyes and brain. Regular consumption of eggs can also help keep your eyes hydrated, reducing the risk of dry eye syndrome. For the best results, include eggs in a balanced diet alongside other proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats to optimize nutrient absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, are vital for maintaining healthy eyes. DHA is a structural component of the retina, ensuring its cells function efficiently and remain resilient against damage. EPA, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory properties that protect the delicate tissues in your eyes from chronic inflammation. Omega-3s also play a crucial role in preventing dry eye syndrome by improving the quality of your tears. They enhance the lipid layer of your tear film, reducing evaporation and keeping your eyes moisturized and comfortable. Studies suggest that a diet rich in omega-3s can slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration and even improve visual acuity. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of these essential fats. For those who prefer plant-based options, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts provide ALA, a precursor to DHA and EPA, although conversion rates in the body are much lower. Incorporating omega-3s into your food plan through fish or supplements can significantly enhance your eye health, helping to preserve your vision well into your later years. In conclusion, the foods and nutrients we consume play a pivotal role in maintaining and enhancing our vision. Essential nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, and omega-3 fatty acids are fundamental to eye health, protecting against oxidative damage, improving retinal function, and preventing age-related issues. Vitamins C and E, alongside zinc, further contribute by reducing oxidative stress and maintaining the structural integrity of eye tissues. The importance of managing insulin resistance cannot be overstated, as its negative effects on blood sugar levels can lead to complications like diabetic retinopathy and cataracts, underlining the need for a balanced diet rich in fiber and antioxidants. Leafy greens, with their lutein, zeaxanthin, and nitrate content, offer a natural defense against blue light damage and improve blood flow to the eyes. Carrots, often celebrated for their beta-carotene, support vision in low light by aiding in rhodopsin production, while berries provide anthocyanins and vitamin C to strengthen capillaries and combat oxidative stress. Eggs, as a versatile superfood, deliver bioavailable lutein and zeaxanthin alongside vitamin A and zinc, crucial for corneal health and retinal function. Finally, omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, support the structural and functional integrity of the retina while preventing dry eye syndrome. Together, these foods and nutrients form a natural, powerful toolkit for preserving and boosting your vision. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.